What up, y'all? It's Dominic369 for Occultism Unleashed, and today we getting straight into Jupiter retrograde in the United States chart. So, as you see over here, Jupiter is direct right now, but tomorrow it'll be retrograde in the United States third house in the sign of Pisces. Now, you see this blue trapped in between the red and the yellow for those who are beginners. This means this sign, represented by the blue, which is Pisces, is intercepted. So Pisces intercepted in the United States third house tells you that they're deceptive in their communication and the information that they give their people, especially the media, because the media is ruled by Pisces. The newspapers, the TV shows, films, they use actors and actresses, musicians in their guises of deceiving the people. Now, as we look at when Jupiter went direct in Pisces from Aquarius, we start, that was back in March of this year. So as it goes retrograde over the next few months, a lot of the things that were said in the media, in the newspaper, by celebrities, look, man, a lot of lies are gonna come out, and I said it before in private and public conversations. If you want to destroy the United States, all you have to do is tell the truth. If any nation wanted to destroy the United States, all they would have to do is tell the truth. So Jupiter is a planet of truth and justice. As it retrogrades back through the United States third house in Pisces and back into Aquarius, Aquarius rule technology, the internet, and hackers. I strongly will say that the damage that the hackers did was seeking out truth. It's going to show how corrupt a lot of people are and a lot of things that are going on in the government with corporations and deception. It's going to rock this motherfucker. Pisces is a sign of social unrest. It's also the sign of that rules hard to diagnose diseases, and substance abuse. So be ready to see a resurge in the opiate and drug crisis, addictive drug crisis. It's about to get raw. It's about to get raw, and this is the third house, so it's affecting the public. It's affecting the public collective, the people. As Jupiter was moving into a trine with Venus. Venus rules the sixth house of health. Health was improving. As Jupiter's going retrograde, they're going back on all the motherfucking COVID precautions. It's about to get ugly. It's about to get ugly. I promise you. I promise you, it's finna get ugly. It is going to get ugly. Jupiter retrograde in the United States chart is going to bring the pain. It's going to bring the pain. Pisces rule, diseases that have to do with mucus discharge and things like that. And I feel like the vaccines are going to fuck up people's lymphatic systems. And a lot of that's going to get seen over the next 3 to 4 months. Well, Jupiter retrograde, it ain't going to be pretty. It ain't going to be pretty. But for those of y'all who understand, retrograde give you opportunity to go back and review things that ain't working. It gives you the opportunity to go back and tell the truth. We'll see what they do. But, you know, as I said, you know, right here, it's going to retrograde back over to one of the United States natal eclipse points. It's going to retrograde back into the moon, the United States moon. The moon is the ruler of the 8th house of death in the United States chart. And as Jupiter goes retrograde back into the United States 2nd house of money and values, you're going to see that crypto go back up. And you're going to see the other stuff come crashing down because they deceptively inflated the dollar and the economy. Again, that retrograde to the moon, it rules death, but the moon also, the 8th house that the moon rules death, but it also rules debt in other people's money, you know. As China goes to war with its country's Bitcoin miners to try to protect the value of the dollar, you know, it's a losing battle. It's a losing battle, Jack. It's a losing battle. Good thing, great things for you know, minorities and disenfranchised people as Jupiter retrogrades back into Aquarius. It's gonna hit on a trine to Mars. Mars rules black people in the United States chart and disenfranchised people. Jupiter gonna retrograde back into Mars and get things popping. You know, reevaluate a lot of things and values and how they mistreated us in this country, and things are gonna start to progress, man. You know, but we'll get into this on another video because I got a lot of heat for y'all, and I don't want to get y'all distracted. But Jupiter retrograde in the United States chart, it's gonna bring a lot of truth, and you're gonna see that a lot of people sent y'all on dummy missions with them vaccines. I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Peace.